A red and black bird is flying alone. The bird is getting tired because she does not have as much energy. The hawk flies in, which is a predator, to the little bird. The bird tries to fly away faster, but she's too tired. The hawk eats bird. The birds are flying in a V shape to save energy. Now they are flying in a weird shape that moves continuously. The hawk, which is the predator, is flying in and the birds are starting to move faster. The flock is making a sharp turn, which is easy in a group. Since when they make a sharp turn, their feathers turn white, which makes them not be able to be found. Since the birds are white on the other side of the feathers, the predator cannot see them, so he loses his food. Go the other way. Oh. The predator is now flying the wrong way because he can't see the birds.